welcome to Lesson 1 of 100 English lessons to improve your grammar and English speaking skill together. In this lesson, you will learn to talk about yourself, talk about somebody in your family, and talk about your favorite artist. You will also learn 30 questions and answers and many words. Let's begin. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Elmira Haydari. I am 33 years old. I am from Canada or I'm Canadian. I am married and I'm an English teacher. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is pizza. And my favorite singer is Adele. I am interested in languages, movies, and sports. But I am not interested in soccer, fashion, and makeup. Get to the first sentence. My name is Elmira. My name is Elmira. What about you? You can type it in the comment section. What about you? What's your name? Now, what is the question? The question is, what's your name? What's your name? Can you repeat? What's your name? So, the question and answer, number 1. What's your name? My name is Elmira. Now, what about my passport? I am from Canada. I am from Canada. Or I'm Canadian. Canadian. I'm from Canada. I'm Canadian. What about you? Where are you from? You can comment below. You can see this video to learn 30 countries and nationalities and come back here and write your country and nationality in the comment section. What is the question? Let's repeat. Where are you from? Where are you from? Now my age. I am 33 years old. What about you? Do you know the numbers? If you don't know the numbers, you can learn numbers from 1 to 1000 in this video. Don't forget to watch it, okay? Now, how old are you? I am 33 years old. Okay? Now that you commented, let's see. What's the question? The question is, how old are you? How old are you? Now, what about my job? I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. What about you? What's your job? Or, what's the question? What do you do? What do you do? Okay, now, if you don't know your job, you can look it up in the dictionary, or you can watch this video and learn 20 jobs in English. Don't forget to watch it. 4. What's your job? Or, what do you do? What do you do? I'm an English teacher. Number 5. I'm married. Look, I'm married. What about you? Now let's talk about favorites. Favorites. My favorite color is pink. Let's learn some colors. Repeat after me, okay? I say them twice, you repeat after me, okay? White. White. Black. Black. Red. Red. Orange. Orange. blue, blue. Pink, pink. Purple, purple. Brown, brown. Okay, now what's your favorite? Which one is your favorite? If your favorite is not in my list, look up the word in the dictionary. My favorite color is pink. What's your favorite color? Okay, now let's look at the question and answer. What's the question? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What about your favorite food? You know, some foods, yeah? In English or in your own language, you can say. So, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. What about you? You can comment. What about you? My favorite food is pizza. Now, what's the question, guys? What's your favorite food? Nice. Next, let's talk about your favorite artist. For example, your favorite singer, or your favorite actor, or your favorite player. Now, my favorite singer is Adele. My favorite actor is Jennifer Aniston. What about you? My favorite food, color, singer, actor, or anything is blah. You can make many sentences here, okay? Now, what's the question? The question is, what's your favorite color, food, sport, school subject, and anything? But what about the person? Like singer, actor? The question is, who is your favorite? Who is your favorite? Okay, so 2 types of questions here, okay? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite book? But who's your favorite singer? Who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite artist? Okay? Nice! About our interests. But let's learn some words and come back. Art, sport, soccer, languages, cooking, fashion, makeup, science, movies, games. Now, which one do you like? Which one are you interested in? For example, I am interested in languages. And I learned Spanish, English, Turkish, Persian, many languages, okay? I am interested in languages. I'm interested in sports. I like fitness, I like yoga, I do yoga, I go walking, I go hiking, I like sports. I'm interested in sports. What about you? Which one on my list or in your dictionary are you interested in? What's your question, guys? What are you interested in? What are you interested in? Repeat. Interested. Interested in. Interested in. What are you interested in? I'm not interested in arts, fashion, and makeup, actually. Arts, yeah, a little bit. But fashion and makeup, no. So I can say, I am not interested in fashion and makeup as a girl. And what about you? What are you interested in? What are you not interested in? Okay? Don't forget to comment. Now you learned 10 questions and answers. Easy peasy, yeah? You can talk about yourself and introduce yourself, saying your name, age, if you're married or single, your job, favorites, and interests. Okay? Now, you can also talk about a favorite person. Maybe a person in your family, maybe your husband, your wife, your friend, anyone, okay? Now, I want to introduce my husband. He is Ali. He is 34 years old. He is self-employed. He is married. His favorite color is blue. His favorite food is, I don't know, Persian food. His favorite sport is soccer. His favorite singer is Emme, and he's interested in sports, soccer, and politics. He's not interested in yoga, fashion, arts. Now let's see. To talk about myself, I use I am not, and my favorite is. To talk about Ali, I use he is, the short form he is not, or he isn't, and his favorite is blah. Okay? So, I am, he is. I'm, he's. I am not, I'm not. Or he is not, he's not, or he isn't. Okay? Now, my favorite is blah. His favorite is blah. Okay? Now, do you want to talk about a man in your family? Now let's learn the question forms and the sentences. His name is Ali. What's the question? Can you guess? Guess. What's, very good, his name. What's his name? Now, he is 34 years old. Can you guess the question? The question for you, how old are you? So the question for he is, how old, very good, is he? Or, how old is he? Good. Now the question for job is, what do you do? For he is self-employed. So the question is, what does he do? What does he do? The question for nationality, he is from Canada. What's, no. What about this one? He is from Canada. What's the question? Where is he from? Very good. So where are you from? Where is he from? What about marital status? Is he single or married? He is married. Is he single or married? Now what about favorites? His favorite food is blah, his favorite color is blah, his favorite sport is blah, and the question is, can you guess? Very good. What's his favorite food, color, blah, 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 blah. And what about interests? He is interested in sports, soccer, and politics. What is the question? Guess. Try to guess. What's he interested in? Very good. What's he interested in? Or what is he interested in? What is the negative form? What is he not interested in? What is he not interested in? You'll learn 20 questions and answers. There you go. And now, try to talk about your favorite person, okay? If you want to talk about a man, you can use he is not, and his favorite is blah. If that person is a woman, a girl, a woman, you can use she is not, and and her favorite blah is. Now, what about the questions for she? What's his name? What's her name? How old is he? How old is she? Where is he from? Where is she from? What does he do? What does she do? Is he single or married? Is she single or married? What's his favorite food, color, or anything? What's her favorite food color or anything? And what is he interested in? What is she interested in? What is he not interested in? What is she not interested in? Take your screenshot, and now you will learn to talk about yourself, to talk about your favorite person in your family, and to talk about your favorite artist. Don't forget, there are 100 lessons like this in my page, and see you.